get to install these lights. So first thing, it's going to come with one of these little brackets. Now, I like to loosen them off a little, these bolts here, because that's what the light is actually going to hang off of, and they always got a lot of extra length, so I loosen them off a bit and then we can adjust them later. First thing, they come standard, so they'll screw right into your power outlet box, the light box, whatever they call it, I can't remember. But you screw that in. Okay, once you got that fastened in there, then you're ready to put the light on. I'm just going to loosen off the ground screw a little. We're going to need that. Now for this part, it kind of helps to have a pal or somebody. Doesn't have to be a pal, just a person with limbs that can help you hold it up while you attach the wires. Take the plastic off. You want to always make sure to cut away from the wires when you're cutting the excess casing off, because it may or may not have happened to me a few times where I've been cutting the opposite way and then you cut into the wires and then you have a real problem. Take these little wire nuts. These ones came with the light actually. So then take that, and I like to clean up the end, get it nice and straight. And you hook white to white. Twist it up. I twist it clockwise and then put your nut on clockwise as well. You want to hook the ground cable up to the ground screw, ground wire I should say. It's always good practice to wrap your wire clockwise so that when you tighten the screw, it tightens up and doesn't untighten the wire. Now, you gotta wrap the wires up inside the box there so they're out of the way. So now you see that the screws are just a little too short, so I'll back them back down a little. There it is. Okay. Helps to have teeny little hands with this particular light. There. And there it's installed.